I found these amazing mother of pearl shell inlay beads. It's carved shell with resin inlay, and I'm going to show you how to make a connector using these. What I do is I thread it, and then I take about a centimeter, this, make a loop, bring the wire around, and I push. I'm going to just slow this down. That, like this, and I do it a couple of times more so that it is strong, like this. You don't have to trim too much. If it's not tight, what you do is you press it down like this. And then I do the same thing on the other side, leaving a little bit of space for the coil. Like this. So you see, I leave a little bit of space. And I wrap once, I straighten it out, twice, 3 times, so that it is like this. I hold on to this, bring it around. You see, making sure that both sides, the top and bottom, have the same number of coils. Press down. I trim.
I hope you enjoyed that. Stones and Findings is a wholesaler of premium quality chains and findings. I'm going to leave more information below about our company and what you have seen in this video.